How do you go from zero coding experience to creating your own RPG game? Well, today I'm going to show you the progress I've made so far. Plus, I'll share the most important lessons I've learned about starting from scratch, so stick around. Last time, I introduced you to the basics of my game project. I started by importing ready-made tiles and creating a basic map. Here's a look at my small flat world and the ready-made player I'm working with. I realised pretty quickly that creating tiles and animating a player from scratch was a bit much for me as a beginner. This is what I got. Amazing. Simply amazing. It failed pretty bad, yeah. So, I've decided to focus more on the basics of coding and learning pixel art for now. It's all about taking baby steps. Pixel Pete. I came across this guy based on a friend's recommendation and some of my own research, and he's actually awesome. I'll be practicing using his videos and literally every day until I'm a lot more confident with it. So, I shifted gears and started learning pixel art. I'm following this YouTuber who makes it super easy for beginners like me, and here's the progress I've made so far. On the coding side of things, I've been learning how to get my player moving around the map. It's been challenging, but I finally have the basic movements down. Here's what it looks like. Next week's going to be a little different since I'll be travelling for a bit. I'll do my best to keep working on my coding and pixel art while I'm away, but the progress might be slower. If I can, I'll try to get some updates out during the week, but if not, I'll be back on track as soon as I return. Once I am back, I plan to dive deeper into coding, character interactions, and refining my pixel art. If you're enjoying this journey of mine, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any updates.